inspired me to sponsor the event was it was great fun last year. I've got a couple of beef being processed next week. I'm going to actually get some chili grind out of that, and I just like to share our beef with whoever comes to taste the chili, and hope everyone enjoys it. All the competitors were using the same beef, and I think we got some pretty good beef. What I hope to get out of sponsoring it is just some exposure, expose our great product, and we like getting the word out of who we are, where we are, and what our product is. Wagyu is just fantastic beef. I don't care what cut it is, and it's becoming more known, and we just hope to get it exposed to more people.
Family Ford is going to be sponsoring the prizes this year, with first place getting $600 cash, second place $300, and third place $100. Also keep in mind we do have a jackpot appetizer competition that day. It'll be a $25 entry fee in cash. All cash will be paid back out to the winner.